question 4. So question 4 is an inference question. It's asking us what the author's attitude towards something is. Now, the author is never going to have a sentence where they say, my attitude is, but we can infer their attitude from the things that they've said. And we know that our author doesn't like this rift. They think, fortunately, that it is breaking down. So we're going to be looking for something along those lines. Go into the answer choices. Answer choice A says perplexity as to what could have led to the development of such a rift. Well, that's not true because the author tells us at the end of the second paragraph what led to the rift, at least partially. That is, that the U.S. culture doesn't like generalists. So they're not perplexed. It's not answer choice A. Answer choice B, astonishment that academics have overlooked the existence of the rift. Well, according to our author, academics haven't overlooked that rift. They generally support it by teaching the two things separately. So answer choice C, ambivalence towards the effect the rift has had. Well, actually, the author isn't ambivalent. The author thinks it's a good thing that the rift is breaking down. The rift is bad. The author is not ambivalent towards it. Go to answer choice D, pessimism regarding the possibility that the rift can be overcome. Well, this is also the opposite of our author. The author says, fortunately, it is being broken down by people like Rita Dove. They're not pessimistic that it'll never be broken down. So that means that E is our answer by default. To see why, it says disapproval of the attitudes and presuppositions underlying the rift. Well, yeah, because the author sides with Rita Dove, and Rita Dove tells us that it makes little sense to persist in the restrictive approach to poetry and fiction because each genre shares in the nature of the other. So if you think that they don't share natures with each other, you're wrong. So the author does disapprove of those attitudes. Answer choice E is our answer.